Hello dear children. So today we are going to see a new topic which is A and D. So it is actually used before the nouns or the naming words. You can see here A and D used before the nouns or the naming words. Okay. So before doing this let's do, we are going to see let's learn. Okay. When we are going to use an is used before the words or the naming words that start with a vowel sound. Those words or those naming words which start with the vowel sound, we use an before that word. Okay. Those naming words start with non-vowel sound, that is consonant sounds, we use a before that naming word. So an is used before word that start with a vowel sound. A is used when a word starts with the non-vowel sound. Okay. So now we are going to see let's do. Use a or an correctly in the blanks. Clap once for using a. Clap 2 times for using an. So what you have to do? If you are going to use a, so you have to clap 1 time, and if you are going to use an, so you have to clap for 2 times. Okay. Now let's see. I am an Indian. So we have to clap for 2 times. Okay. So why we have used here an? Because the naming word starts with vowel sound. Okay. I am a student. You can see here student as it's a non-vowel sound. I go to school. So obviously I go to a school because school is the non-vowel sound naming word. I take a bus to school. So bus is also start with the non-vowel sound. My mother is an expert baker. So expert E, it's a vowel sound. So an. And she has an oven to bake cakes. Okay. So this is all about the let's do. Okay. Now look at the examples in the table. Notice the sound each word starts with. So what you have to do? You have to look at these examples, okay, which are given in the table. So first we are going to see the examples of an angry tiger. So we use generally an before the vowel sound. That is those naming words which start with the vowel sound. And we use a before the non-vowels sound or the consonant sounds. Okay, let's see. Angry tiger, a. So an angry tiger. Apple, a. So an apple. Aeroplane, an aeroplane. Eagle, an eagle. Elephant, an elephant. Ice cream, an ice cream. An open window, an orange, an umbrella. Now here we are going to see the examples of a bat, a hat, a house, a man, a table, a tree, a window, a year, a yacht. So these are the examples of non-vowel sounds, like those naming words which start with the non-vowel sounds. Okay. Now here we are going to see these words are, honest, air. They start with the letter H. You can see here children, these 3 words starts with the H. But how we are pronouncing it? We are pronouncing it as a are, honest, air. Okay. Here H is the silent. When we say these words are, honest, air, जब भी हम ये वर्ड्स को बोलने जा रहे हैं तो इनका जो H है, दिस H is silent of particular word. Okay. H is also silent in the words made from these words like early, honesty, heirloom. Okay. So while reading you can see we are not pronouncing, we are not saying this H. We are just saying early, honesty, heirloom. Okay. So we use an before these words as they start with a vowel sound. Okay. You can see here we are going to use now an before these words because in those words you can see those H are silent and we are pronouncing it from vowel sound. So that's why we are using here an before these naming words like an honest man, an hour ago. Okay, dear children. Now read these words aloud. University, unicorn, one-eyed crow. Okay. Did you notice that in these words you makes the same sound as the Y in you and O makes the same sound as W in words. So you can see here three words, that is university, unicorn, one-eyed crow. So actual sound of U is A. U, A, umbrella, that you know very well. But here we are pronouncing it like Y. You can see here university, unicorn. And we are saying O makes the same sound as W in word. So it's a O. What is the sound of O? O. O sounds O. So we are not saying on. We are saying it one. So O is sound same like a W in the word. So here U and O make consonant sound. Actually these are the vowels that you know well. But the sound of these vowels are same like a consonant. So here they are sounding like a consonant. So that's why here we are going to use A. So A is used before these words. A university, a unicorn, a one-eyed crow. Okay. Let's learn. We use A when we come across something for the first time. Okay. We use A before the naming word, before the noun, when any naming word come across for the first time. Okay. We use the when the same noun is used again. And if that particular naming word or noun is coming again, so we are going to use the. For example, here you can see there was a princess in a castle. The princess loved the castle. Here you can see princess, princess, castle, castle. Both the words are, coming again and again. So like here you can see a princess, a castle in the first sentence. But in the second sentence we are not using again a princess, a castle. Why? Because those words are coming again. That's why we are using the princess loved the castle. Okay. In the first sentence, a princess and a castle do not mean any particular princess or a castle. In the next sentence, the princess and the castle show that we are talking about a particular princess and a particular castle. So in the first sentence, what is happening exactly? The princess and the castle do not mean any particular princess. That means these are not particular things in the first sentence. But in the second sentence, we can say they are the particular things. Okay. Let's practice. Complete the given text using a or the. So dear children, before going to see this, I just want to make you clear. We are going to use a when anything or any noun come across for the first time. But when it comes again, so we will use the. Okay, so let's start. Once upon a time, there was a shoemaker. Here you can see shoemaker is the naming word. And we are using a because this name is comes for first time. Now shoemaker is coming again. It means this word is repeating. So we are going to use the because it is coming for second time or again it is coming. Shoemaker lived in a small hut. He could make very pretty shoes. One day a rich lady comes across for the first time, so that's why we are using a. Come to the shoemaker. We are not using a shoemaker because shoemaker is coming again and again. She wanted a new pair of sandals made for her. The shoemaker worked for a month and made a beautiful pair of sandals. When the lady came, here we are using the because lady is coming again. This word is coming again, so that's why we are using here the. The lady came. She was not at all happy with the sandals. Why we are using the sandals? Because it comes across for the second time. The sandals were made of glass and the lady had big feet. She knew that would happen if she wore the sandals would break. Let's learn. We will now discuss two more uses of the. Okay. We use the before a noun when we describe something that is only one of its type. Like the sky, the sun, the moon, the earth, the Mars. Okay. Dear children, when we use the before such nouns that we describe something that is only one of its type. Like जो एक ही रहता है वो उसके टाइप का एक ही है, दूसरा हो ही नहीं सकता, उस टाइम हम द यूज करते हैं बिफोर दैट पर्टिकुलर नाउन. So like example you can see the sky. Sky is only one that you know. The sun is also the one. The moon is also only one. The earth, which is only one earth. The Mars, which is also one. Okay. We use the to describe the people of the country. When we want to talk about the particular people of particular country, so we have to use the. The Indians, the Japanese, the Americans, the Russians. Okay. So in that situation, we have to use the. So let's read the passage. Read the passage below. See how the has been used. Okay. The earth is full of life because the sun gives it light and warmth. The earth, along with other planets, and the sun makes up the solar system. The earth has only one satellite, which is the moon. The sun shining bright in the sky gives us light during the day, and the moon makes the night beautiful. The Greeks, the Romans, and the Indians have many legends about the moon. So here you have seen we have used the for every noun because दोज नाउन्स आर पर्टिकुलर, मीन्स ओनली वन होता है उनका डिस्क्रिप्शन, वो एक ही होते हैं. सो वी यूज द बिफोर सच नाउन्स. ओके, डू यू नो चिल्ड्रेन, हियर यू कैन सी समथिंग. वी यूज द बिफोर समथिंग वी ऑलरेडी नो. वेन वी यूज द, जब हमें ऑलरेडी कुछ पता रहता है उन्हीं के बारे में, उसके बारे में. वी यूज अ और एन बिफोर समथिंग दैट इज नॉट पर्टिकुलर और समथिंग दैट वी डोंट नो ऑलरेडी, जिनके बारे में हमें पता नहीं रहता है या जो चीजों के बारे में पर्टिकुलरली हमें कुछ पता नहीं रहता है तो तब हम अ और एन यूज करते हैं. बट जिनके बारे में हमें पता रहता है तो हम उनके पहले द यूज करते हैं.